Hey, do you know sentence combining? A key writing skill to improve the flow and clarity of your writing. This technique involves turning short, disconnected sentences into cohesive and engaging ones by joining the sentence in a way that logically connects the ideas. Writers can create a laundry list of unrelated short sentences that fail to show how the ideas connect. A laundry list weakens the writing and makes it harder for readers to follow your main points. For example, combining the sentence makes the writing consistent and helps the audience to understand the logical connection between ideas. This technique proves essential in business and academic writing, where clarity, structure, and engagement provide successful communication. Step-by-step strategies for combining sentences and avoiding the laundry list. Step 1. Begin by reviewing the sentence you wrote. Each sentence should convey one main idea or piece of information. Step 2. After identifying the key ideas, think about how they relate. Do they show cause and effect? Do they build upon one another? Step 3. Use transition words and phrases to link the ideas. For example, in summary, to review, supports. Also, furthermore, it can be argued. These are transitions and phrases to introduce, conclude, compare and contrast, give examples, to add ideas, to show relationships and outcomes, or to present others' ideas. Step 4. Combine ideas into one or two logical sentences and avoid creating a list of disconnected sentences. Revise to ensure the new sentence remains clear and concise. If the sentence becomes too long or too complex, break it into two sentences that still logically connects the ideas. Mastering sentence combining improves both the clarity and engagement of your writing. By avoiding laundry lists of sentences and learning to connect ideas logically, your writing structure flows smoothly and engages your audience. Identifying key ideas, logical connections, and combining sentences helps you create clear, persuasive, and engaging writing material. Thanks for watching.